This is a must-have fall fly that never leaves my fly box. We'll start it out with some black Vivas thread, secure it to our hook shank, snapping the excess free. We will then grab some silver brassy wire, insert it into the slot of our tungsten bead, securing it tightly to our hook shank, wrapping towards the back of the hook. We want to make sure we create a nice smooth thread base all the way to the back of the fly. Once we reach the bend of the hook, we will reverse the direction and wrap back towards the head of the fly, maintaining a nice smooth body. We can now begin to wrap our wire forward. We'll do so by taking evenly spaced open spiral wraps until we reach the head of the fly. Once complete, we will secure by taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind our wire and helicoptering the excess free. Next, we will grab some black hare's ear dubbing, create a dubbing noodle, dubbing the thorax just behind the bead of our fly. Once complete, we will brush this free, giving it a nice buggy look. Pull any excess fibers free and grab a whip finisher. And this is my personal variation of a Euro zebra midge. It never leaves my fly box and is very successful in fall and winter. If you'd like to win this fly, like the video, subscribe for more, and comment #flies in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.